Okay. My name's Craig Abrams. I'm with G&D North America. I'm the Director of Sales for the Northeast portion of the United States and Canada, and I'm here to introduce our new product design called VisionXS. It'll be used both in our IP product as well as our classical product. This happens to be the IP product. This is a CPU module, much smaller than our current design and much more capable. It's capable of doing 4K 60 over 1 gig pipe up to a 10 gig pipe. It's modular in design, as you can see. This is the same as the con, and we just add a power supply, and we can accommodate lots of different formats, including USB-C. And for more information, visit our new website,